Hello, here I am again, Nancy. Today I'm decorating the Christmas tree. I got all these things for really cheap after Christmas, like $1. I think that container of all those huge ones, I think that was $7, but I'm not sure. So, let's put some more up. This is still decorating the Christmas tree. So I'll put one of these in the center of all of these open places. You can move your branches around. If it's an artificial tree, you can move them around to fit your balls so that they'll hang in the center of where you want them. If it's a real tree, you have to take what you get. As far as the tree goes, for what fits where. Sunrise through the morning, glittering her spread, fluttering her skirts all around. Sunrise, she bringing the dawning, or she come up the dawning. Sunrise, come up the dawning, spreading all the light all around. Sunrise, sunrise. On the rooftop, sunrise, on the rooftop. Listening to dew all around. Sunrise, come every day. Sunrise, she come every day. Sunrise, every day. She drive away the darkness every day. Drive away the darkness, bringing back the warmth to the ground. Sunrise, oh, sunrise, oh, bring back the warmth, spreading all the light all around. Sunrise, she's in the morning. Sunrise, it's the morning, spreading all the light around. Okay, another 2 boxes of them are done. Then I have this box of stars, which also cost me about $1. I thought that was the way to do it, you know, right before Christmas, like on Christmas Eve or something, when everything went real cheap. Sunrise, she come every day. Sunrise, come every day. Sunrise, every How is it looking? Now you tell me. Sunrise, come every day. Sunrise, come every day. Sunrise, every day. Away the darkness, every day. Away the darkness. We are so spoiled in this country, you know. in India, well, I guess they're not Christians maybe, but in India, they wouldn't have, those poor people live in cardboard boxes on the side of factories that are going to explode. They don't have things like Christmas trees and all these decorations. We are so blessed in this country, in North America. I like these stars, you know. I like the Star of Bethlehem, you know. Jesus Christ is the light of our lives, you know. It's the light that shines in the darkness. The light which makes us feel good. And it's only right that we have lights on our tree and stars. Sometimes you put an angel on the top, but I found this star, and I kind of like having the star on top of the tree. Because it's sort of symbolic of the star, which is way up high. Okay, how am I doing? Oh, somebody gave us a beautiful ball last year. Merry Christmas, 2007. So this deserves a place of honor. I'll put it right up at the top. Nestled in the branches there. Okay. And then I have these little things, which also cost about $1 for all these on sale. I wanted to keep my tree all gold, or gold and white. I thought they had a whole lot of white balls, but they seem to be missing. Oops. Maybe I didn't get these in a box. Maybe I got these at a dollar store for 20 cents each or something. Don't remember. That's too close to other things, isn't it? Everything's getting to be too close to other things now. There's a place. Okay. Oh yeah, I got a whole bunch of balls from Audubon once. Got a bunch of them. I wonder where they are. I like birds. Birds belong in trees, don't they? They belong in trees and at the bird feeder. Sunrise. Now these I was hanging in front of the windows, but I don't know. I guess I could put them in front of the windows. I have these little nails up there for them. Let's see. Let's check it out. But that, before I had all these plants in the windows. There's a butterfly. As long as I'm there. Oops. See about putting them in there. Look at this red tomato. Can you believe that? Can you even see it? Have I got you looking in the right direction? See this red tomato? I close these curtains because it was -20 or 0 Fahrenheit. Well, it was just too cold to have the curtains open. I don't see my nail for this one. Well, I could put a nail there, I guess. I don't really want to, though. I don't know what I want to do. I don't think I could put it up there either. There's no nail up there. Okay, I'll have to figure this out on my own. Thanks for coming by and decorating the tree with me.